The MHG Pressure Blast Cabinet. SMG 500D combines maximum efficiency with clever design. The robust, CE-compliant blast cabinet is durable and is delivered as a standard model in graphite grey. It offers powerful, environmentally friendly blasting technology that is perfectly tailored to your requirements. The LED light used, with replaceable protective glass, provides optimal illumination of the large working chamber. The TUV-certified 100-litre pressure vessel with robust metering valve ensures a powerful and consistent blasting process. The perfect interaction of cyclone separator, coarse filter screen, and magnetic separation enables efficient and reproducible blasting results. The degree of dust separation can be adjusted continuously by means of a throttle valve. A powerful extraction blower in combination with the generously sized cartridge filter ensures perfect dust removal and an optimal view of the workpiece. The modern Siemens logo display always gives you a clear overview of all operating states, from blasting pressure to maintenance reminders. The low-wear boron carbide blasting nozzle ensures maximum precision. The viewing window with quick-change frame provides a convenient view of the blasting process. The SMG 500D offers high functionality and energy efficiency. Optional equipment such as H14 filter technology, safe dust discharge, sensors for filter breakage and flow monitoring, as well as magnetic door interlocking, enables safe operation with combustible and health hazardous dusts.